Enjoy the best of both worlds at 8 Courtyards with full condominium facilities and 8 enchanting gardens smack right between Canberra Plaza, Sembawang Shopping Centre and North Point Shopping Centre. Hi everyone, I'm Sharon Kim Chan from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division, and today I'm here to introduce you this high floor premium unit, a dual key unit comprising of a studio and a 3-bedroom. Experience all the wonders of dual space, intergeneration homes, 2 homes, 1 family. Keeping 2 homes under 1 roof while retaining the privacy of both. There will be 1 common foyer before each reaches their own living space, kitchen and bathroom. Perfect for a versatile living arrangement. It is also suitable for renting out. The strata area is approximately 1572 square feet. This is one of the best stacks in the development, facing the pool. So don't miss this rarely available house. Once again, do call me, Sharon King, now for an exclusive viewing today at 92777772. See you soon.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.